Jack, thank you for joining us. Now, Jack, according to Bank Negara, last year the construction sector went down by 19%. Tell us about that and your experience last year because of the MCO. What challenges did you encounter and how did you overcome that?
Since last year, the lockdown in the March, definitely we are facing a lot of problems. But for us is we also when we are facing this problem, we also try to how to survive ourselves. Okay, either the MCO, the operation is still running because my boy is all in the quarantine. They are all in the yard. So although they cannot go out, we cannot go out anyway. But we're still doing some of the R&D study. Okay, we are trying to look in the thing is how to improve in our installation, our product. Okay, although in the equipment, what kind of equipment we need to improve. That is how we overcome in the last year. That's why for what I see is when the situation comes into the picture, it depends how we're going to survive. Okay, if you're talking about the construction, definitely the construction is serious hit. Okay, we even cannot go to the Sarawak. Everything is tied down. Okay, but we are trying to move back our business, come back to Semenanjung. Everything is how you go to survive. Okay, it's nothing say you are facing this situation, you just leave it there. Okay, how you survive.
So you make sure your time was productive during the MCO last year. You improve on your processes and also your technologies, right?
Yes, that is very important. Okay, for myself is myself thinking is like that. When the businessman come into the picture, when you're facing all the situation, you must know how to survive. If not, sit down there and waiting for the government support. Okay.
Tell us a bit more about your technology. I think we can see the anchors behind you, but tell us a bit more about that. How did you come about with the technology that we have behind us?
Okay, this technology actually is not only, you see in our construction, there's so many things we need to improve. Okay, in those days when I'm involved in the site or working inside, there is so many things, so many equipment, so many ways to improve. Okay, the only thing is people are not looking at it. Okay, every problem we are facing inside actually is experience. Okay, in 2019, we come into this picture, this anchoring work. Okay, so what we see is when go through the those day design. Honestly, Malaysia design. Sometimes they are follow 1960, 1970, all the British code, British standard. So the one is 1960, 1970. Okay, how you improve it? That is very important. This product actually is enhance the soil new method. Okay, when we come in to study the soil new, that is something is we can say is something is still not 100%. So we are coming to an anchoring system to improve that area, to enhance his area.
And you developed this yourself?
Yes.
After so many years of experience, right?
This product is only from 2019.
2019.
Before that, actually, we also designed for the piling machine, fencing, or this area, either the concrete sheet piling, okay, but we don't go for patent. The only accept this product.
Except for these products, right?
Yes.
Why did you think that it's important for you to get the patent for this product?
I can say this product actually is a very advanced product. Okay, we even hold a 3 world patent under the PCT. Okay, actually this patent, what we can see is we can show that the world, Malaysia can come out with another product. Okay, the story is like that. When you are talking about soil new, we are talking about soil new first. It's from France. Why the French people can come up with their system and Malaysia cannot come up with our system? That is very important.
So you think it's important to get the Malaysian name out there in the construction sector?
Yes, yes, yes. That is, I hope this thing can go to the world.
From your vast experience in the construction sector, tell us about the changes that you've seen in the construction sector, the technology that they've put in the construction sector. I'm sure the technology has developed after so many years, right?
Yes, but in Malaysia, the design-wise, a lot of people, they still follow back the old method. That is a problem. Even in 3 years back, we go through all the highway design. Sometimes we go through the drawing. The drawing actually is 1970. That is the problem in Malaysia. Because every time they design, they're using the BS code, BS standard. And BS code is long time ago.
What changes, what benefits do you see when you create new designs, when you improve on the design? What benefits do you see?
If you're talking of benefit, I just put the benefit in one side, but I just put the problem, the problem in the front. Okay.
Okay.
When we come up with the new thing, okay, a lot of people is because the mentality in the designer is everything is British standard. Okay. Okay. So actually, when we come up with a new product, the time, it's very hard to penetrate in the market. In our Malaysia government, it always say try to use the local product. Okay, but the problem is the agency is not talking to the agency. And now we are using is very difficult way to penetrate to the market.
But now with this product, do you think it's easier for you to go to the market?
We always find a way go to the market. Okay, we don't say we don't go. We will move forward. That is our thinking.
And it's a bit more safer than the products you have currently in the market, right?
Yes, actually, our product is enhanced those same method. Okay, and then we are trying to use the green method to protect the stroke, not concrete.
Is that better?
Definitely, it's green, and then the weather is not so hot. We are using actually, we even got another system is this erosion control. We are all using grass. It's not the concrete. It's not the concrete.
So you add value to existing design. You add new design. You make it better for the industry, right?
Yes, we are care for the environment also. Okay, so when we design things the time, we must very cautious. Okay, we are not going to damage the nature.
Why is that important to you?
Oh, you see, okay. My friend always tell me, God give us the hill. Okay, when we want to develop the highway, we chop off the grass, chop off the tree. Okay, and put the concrete there. Is that healthy or not? The whole world will be sick. That is our intention. We are trying to use green to protect the stroke.
Jack, we'll take a short break. When we come back, let's talk about how you started or how the company started, and then what lessons did you learn along the way.
Okay, okay.
We'll take a short break, ya. Kita berhenti berehat sekali, kembali selepas ini. Bertemu kembali. Jack, you started Vitai in 1991. Tell us, how did you start and what changes did you observe in the construction sector throughout these years? It's been about 30 years, right? Tell us more about that.
Actually, Vitai, those days the name is called Print in 90s. Okay, we start in 1991. When 1991, the construction is boom up. Okay, we are doing all the piling work. Okay, the RC piling work on site. My job actually is handle the site job. That is all the experience coming to the picture. Okay, after the 1997, the whole market crashed. Okay, so the I can very
you can be very honest.
Very honest to tell you. We even sold our building. Okay, We sold our beings, all the machine, everything sold. Okay, that means the time is a downtrend. Okay, so after that, I personally think we are trying to, if we want to survive in this market, we are trying to go back to the new thing. Okay, not like those days. You do piling work, you can do. You go structure, you can do. You go steel work, you can do. Okay, it's no point. We are trying to find something, okay, and people cannot do, a new thing.
You zoom in into one area and then you be the master in that area, right?
Yes. Okay, so we are trying to look for the new thing. I like the new thing. Okay, try to improve in the new thing. See which area we can improve. We even come to fabricate our own power pack, our own coring machine. Okay, own mixing, concrete mixer. That is our job.
Why do you think it's important for you to design and to innovate and to add value to the things that's already in the market? Why not just buy things that are already in the market?
Okay, the thing is like that. Okay, if you go through the market, you can see it's not only the method is old, even the machine is old design. We are trying to improve the design of the machine. Okay, I think if I didn't forget, in the 90s, we even designed our own piling machine. Okay, we are using the excavator to convert to the small mini piling machine. Okay, so now we even design the power pack, the coring machine. We do it ourselves. We design ourselves. We fabricate ourselves.
Do you think companies like Vitae and other companies like that that are innovating, that are creating new designs, do you think these companies are contributing to the nation building, this whole getting Malaysia's name out there? You also registered the name, the patent. You have the world patent for these anchors, right? Do you think companies like Vitae can make the country proud?
Yes, definitely. Okay, just now I mentioned, we are always come out to the new thing to capture the world market. Okay, we are not falling back. Those same method. We don't follow behind people. We are go ahead people. That is my principle.
You lead.
Yeah, we lead. Okay, why should we follow?
Tell us about MTDC and how MTDC has helped the company so far, and what benefits did you get from that?
Thank you very much for MTDC to finance us. Okay, with the MTDC fund, actually we can improve a lot. Another way to say, they're actually helping me to get my dream happen.
And what is that dream?
The dream, we are trying to go for the global market. We try to push our product to whole world. That is why we are doing.
What is the next step for Vitae? Where do you want to go next?
Currently situation, we think about Malaysia first. Okay, we settle Malaysia problem first. How we capture the Malaysia market? Only we go outside the world. But we also having so many world patents. Okay, we got the Thailand, we got the Australia, we got the China, we got the Japan. Okay, the only thing we are not stepped out yet. We also hope the government to help us to go out to the global market.
You told us about your experience in 1997, right?
Yes.
And now it's a very tough situation for the economy. Do you think this will be a good opportunity for you to become bigger and much stronger after this? Is there room for you to grow bigger after this?
For this one, I just using a very short word to answer this question. We are the businessman. We are the survivor. It depends how you survive. Okay, definitely after this this COVID, we definitely go further up. Okay, that is my point.
And Jack, before we end, tell us about the people that you have around you, the people that you have supporting you, your partners, your employees. How are they supporting you throughout this very difficult time?
Honestly, I got a lot of good friends. Okay, my friend actually is more than 20, 30 years. Okay, you see, when you get the friend trust, the important thing is honest, the reputation. Just like just I mentioned to you, in 97 we all crashed. We all dead. Okay. We sold our building, okay, to pay back all the debt. Reputation in the market is very, very important. Nobody trusts you, no need to do business.
Especially in the business of safety, ensuring people's safety,
Yes.
reputation is important to you. Right?
Yes, reputation is very important.
On that note, we thank you very much, Jack, for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.